Hello students, today we are going to complete chapter soil in part 3. So the next topic is moisture and absorption. So first we'll look into moisture in soil. Moisture in soil, that is amount of water present in the soil. Now from where does the water comes in the soil? The water comes through the absorption by the roots of the plant. Moisture in the soil can be removed by the setting up the following experiment. Take a soil sample and put it into the test tube and heat it so we can see water droplets at the mouth of the test tube. This way we can remove moisture in the soil. On the basis of this, soil can be classified in different types. Now, absorption of water by soil. How does water get absorbed in the soil? That is the amount of water absorbed by the soil when water is poured into the soil is called absorption of water by the soil. What does it mean? When you poured water on any amount of soil, the amount of water that is absorbed inside can be classified as the capacity of absorption of water in the soil. Now, how do we calculate the percentage of water absorbed in the soil? That is, weight of water absorbed by the soil is equal to U minus V multiplied by G. U stands for amount of water and V stands for volume of water present in the soil. So percentage of water absorbed is equal to U minus V upon 50 multiplied by 100. Then you get percentage of water absorbed by the soil. Now, on the basis of types of soil, crops are classified. Not every type of crop can grow in every type of soil. Specific crops require specific properties of soil, and the basis of that, crops are classified. Different types of crops grown in different types of region. For example, clay soil and loamy soil are good for growing wheat and gram. Clay soil is rich in organic matter and with a good capacity to retain water. So related to this, you can see the diagram shown on the screen, so you will understand how different crops require different soil. So we come to at the end of this chapter. Go through the slides again for better understanding. Thank you.